We're here today to introduce Apelo. Apelo is a range of underwater lamps that exude innovation. Apelo has been designed, tested and manufactured in our own facility, the headquarters for Polymers, right here in Auckland, New Zealand. Let's take a closer look at the Apelo One. What makes it so innovative? Well, first of all, let's start off with the material choice. At Apelo New Zealand, we've been using thermal polymers for decades and have built up a huge amount of experience. So what is a thermal polymer? A polymer is an inert, non-metal material that is completely resistant to corrosion and avoids any of the metal compatibility issues seen with other products. The problem with most polymers is that they tend to insulate and don't reject anywhere near the amount of heat that is required. Thermal polymers overcome this by drawing a lot more heat away from the electronics than traditional polymers. This material has allowed us to produce what we believe to be the brightest polymer underwater lamp on the market. When we talk about brightness, we need to explain that further. Lights in general, and underwater lights being no exception, use lumens to try and explain brightness. However, this is only one aspect of the lighting effect. The light is more effectively described using lux. Here at Polymers, we have expert optical designers who are able to tune the light to be more visible from the viewer's perspective. Our light has a wide horizontal but a narrow vertical, which creates a high lux level rather than sending all the light too high or too low where it becomes invisible. Not only does this mean that our lumens appear brighter, it means that for the lumen ratings we offer, our lamps will compete with lamps offering much higher lumen ratings. At the same time, ours use much less power to achieve the same brightness levels. Lower power is great for batteries when your engines aren't running and also requires smaller cables to run. Additionally, the electronics in the lamp are intelligent enough to sense their environment and regulate the power to control the heat inside the lamp. This means that the Apelo is as happy running out of the water as in it. We call this dry running protected. The next point of innovation comes down to sealing. We use robotic gluing techniques that ensure highly accurate glue volume as well as placement of the glue profile, with repeatability ensured every single time. For your confidence, we are certified to IP68 and IP69. Finally, to back it all up, we have our warranty. There is currently no premium underwater light offering that has a 5-year warranty until now. In summary, if you want the latest in underwater technology from a premium manufacturer with the longest warranty in the business, or for more info, please visit polymers.com.